we about to eat some squash? Look at Daddy. Look what he got. Say, Daddy's feeding me squash today. She's like mesmerized by the light. Get it. Oh, that's such a big girl. Oh, that's such a big girl.
That light's making it rock.
You want some more? I love how she goes to it. It's good. It's some squash. Nom nom nom.
Cadence.
Tommy's first decision as a captain was to find a new partner. Well, look, here comes home. And while Joe sought out an experienced replacement,
She starts growling.
Steve McNair.
Is it that good? Daddy don't like squash. Here. He said, what? He's transforming.